Welcome back to the Workshop YouTube channel. Or no, welcome. This is the first ever Workshop YouTube video. And today we'll be turning this blank canvas into a blanker canvas that's more usable to create things. The plan for this room is to turn into our epoxy room. We're basically going to put a table in here, get it pretty well lit. This light's actually pretty good. We'll probably just mount one more above the table, put some cabinets up here to store the epoxy, the molds, and things like that. But we're going to use it for resin pours. That way we could bring in projects and have a clean room in here where we regulate the temperature, make sure everything cures well. I think we'll throw some flooring in here. We got some extra flooring. Then I'm thinking for this wall over here, since we had Tatiana's little paint set up, we'll use it as kind of a drafting table, easel area. And yeah, that'll be kind of our blanker canvas for better creations. Alright, so basically if we're pouring epoxy in here, we want the environment to be pretty dust-free, and as you can tell, we have cars driving by constantly on this road out there, so we're getting a ton of dust in this room just under this door. So we're going to go ahead and put a threshold on here, and if you notice, whoever put this plywood on just threw it on top of whatever was on the ground here before, so there's no space at all. So we're going to put this thin pad down to make sure our door sweep will fit over it. So we're going to put this on the ground, the door sweep on the ground below the door, and then when it closes, it will be on the door sweep.